And welcome into Bon Appetit. That's also going to be a way of giving a wonderful Christmas gift that the gift receiver is going to remember that gift long after Christmas Day, because olive oil lasts a long time. Ed Gannon's here from the Vintage Olive. It's in Pepper Tree Shopping Center right here in Montgomery on Vaughan Road. They're open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 in the morning till 6 in the afternoon. And Ed, when you get to be our age, I've got all the shirts that I need. I've got all the socks I need, but I'm still going to want to eat every day, and I want to eat good and healthy. What a beautiful way to be able to give somebody a gift that really keeps on giving.
Yeah, for almost 14 years now during Christmas, we always have people coming back in January say this was my favorite Christmas gift I got.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, so that's a real blessing to us.
And it can start as small as a sampler bag like this, and that's got 6 bottles of vinegar and oil in it.
Yep. The beauty of these is you can pick your oils and vinegars if you want to. We have them pre-made up with favorites. But if you want to come in and pick out your flavors, then we'll sack them up. We also put recipe cards and flavor description cards in between them.
Oh, my goodness.
And we can do two to a bag, 4 to a bag, 2 to a bag for the teacher's gift for $12. It's pretty.
And that is very nice. And it's something that teachers are really going to appreciate.
Yep. And also these little 60 ml bottles. People will come in and buy 30 of them individually and just give them out like stocking stuffers.
Is that right? That's a good way to do that also. And then, of course, you can bag it up for them also.
Yeah, we'll have dozens of different bags, cello bags, the craft bags, handmade bags. We'll have some wooden boxes that 2 bottles fit in. So we'll have a lot of different options for Christmas.
Yeah, no matter what it is, you're going to be able to find something. What is this way over here?
We're selling these sets there's 4 to a box. They're just dipping dishes.
Oh, those are dipping. See, even that makes a nice gift for somebody that's really into olive oil.
We have them individually where if you want to, you can put a dipping dish in here, in the back of here with the flavors.
Wow.
Or like the 200 ml bottles, these are a little bit bigger. We can slide a dipping dish or seasoning.
So on the back of that is like is that different recipes?
That's the recipe cards for each flavor, and recipe cards for like if you're using it for a salad dressing or meat marinade. Well, we can add to the bags and come up with just about anything you want to.
And one of the nice things too, if you go on in there, especially if you have relatives or friends that are not in this area, you go in there, do all your shopping, put it together the way you're going to want it, and they will mail it off for you.
That's right. People come in and get teary-eyed when we tell them they don't have to go to the post office or UPS. They come in and shop. We'll box it up. We mostly use the flat rate shippers from the post office. But Carly hand packs each individual one with a Christmas wrap. You can bring us your Christmas card, or like for businesses, if you want to give these for client gifts, we'll put your business card in the back. But Carly makes them look beautiful when she ships them.
And that's amazing. What are the most popular oils that are usually given away at Christmas?
Tuscan herb's always number 1.
Right.
And but the fruity ones, raspberry, the strawberry, those are really good ones for Christmas. The dark chocolate balsamic vinegar.
Right. So in other words, okay, right here, this is a wonderful hors d'oeuvre that you can eat, or just have it for yourself. And what did you put on this? It was a raspberry, was it not?
That's the raspberry, but just about any of the dark balsamics, pomegranate, whichever one you want to taste.
And this was used with the mozzarella cheese and the tomato, and then a little piece of bay leaf.
Basil.
Basil is in there. But you said you can use sage.
Yeah, we use raw sage in that too.
But anything you like, because then the flavors just become wonderful at that point. So basically, like you say, you can go online and get more information.
You can order online.
You can even order online, okay? You don't even have, especially if you already know it. But do yourself a favor, go to the store live, and of course, that's a gift card.
It's just how we do a gift certificate if you want it this way.
Yeah.
We'll roll. You can sign it, put a note on it. We'll roll it up and put it in a glass bottle.
Isn't that neat? And then they won't even stick it in the ocean to float somewhere. It'll just come automatically. Well, Ed, thank you so much for what you guys do. And remember, they're open 5 days a week. They're open from Tuesday through Saturday from 10 in the morning till 6 in the afternoon. Do yourself a favor. Go on in there because you're going to be blown away. And you can actually taste a lot of the different olive oils that are there. Not to mention, they've got some fabulous seasonings, which make great gifts also.
Handmade pastas look beautiful in the bag.
Oh, yeah.
No, and like I said, all the dipping dishes and other things that we have. So
That's great. Okay, so it's right around the corner, and it's a last-minute gift, but it should be a first top-of-the-mind gift because it's something people always enjoy. We'll be right back right after this.